Here we have the FT. Sorry, start again. The FT897. Here we go. With the ATU on the side. Let's flip over. What do we have here? We have the battery pack. And there. And everybody loses these ports. So when they want to sell or whatever, they lose them. Well, here we go. I've got literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. These are the original fit. There's one there. And there's another one there. Now look up there. Original fit. What I have lost though is my charger. So I did charge them manually, but they don't seem to be that good, those cells, but that's not what I'm here for. What I'm here for is to show you these ports. Now you want some, what you're going to have to do is go over to my eBay. That is Alan Co UK, Alpha Lima Uniform November Charlie Oscar Uniform Kilo. 1 second, I'll just pause this. Right, I was just sneezing, then I do apologise. Oops, I better take these out, hadn't I? And again, here they are. Now, if you want any or need any, come along to my site and I can send them along to you. You will not find them cheaper anywhere else. I'm going to pull the batteries out of this one. I may list it and sell it at some point. Because I've got another 2 of these. Well, that's all, folks. Catch you later.